Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going over my top 5 coupon deals that are going on from August 3rd to the 16th. So let's go ahead and get started. For my number 5 pick here, I got Gojo scrubbing towels, 72 count, normally $18.99. They're down to $12.99, saving you 31% off. Now, the reason why I picked this is for one, anything 20 to 30% off to me is a great deal. And then they're scrubbing towels. These can work for mechanics, painters, all kinds of different people, and that's a different reason why I picked them. Now, like we normally do in my top 10 and top 5s, we are going to go down here and check out the customer reviews on them and see what you all think of it. Now, this one here has got a 4.8 out of 5, and we don't have a fish hook going on here. That is very nice, and 97% of you recommend this, so this is a good product, and that's my number 5 pick. Now for my number 4 pick, I went with the Merlin 3/8 inch by 50 foot heavy duty retractable air hose reel, rubber hose, 1/4 inch MPT fittings on this. Regular price was $89.99. Sales price on this is $69.99, and that is 22% off. And to me, this is a real good deal at 22% off if you're somebody with a shop or a garage, or like me with a pole barn with an air compressor. This could come in real handy so you don't have hose just laying around. So let's see what you all think of this one real quick here. Check out the reviews on this one. This one's a little bit lower. We got 4.6 out of 5. You can see we don't really have much of a fish hook going on. The 1 stars is down pretty low on here. Still, 94% of you would recommend it. To me, I believe that 90% up would be a good recommendation on this, and this being at 94, I think it's going to be a good pick for you. Now my number 3 pick here is going to be the Hercules 2.4 amp orbital 1/4 sheet sander with the soft start. This is normally $44.99. Sales price on this one is going to be $29.99, 33% off, and that's why I picked this. I mean, who can't use a sander? If you're into automotive, if you're messing with paint and stuff, you can sand. Of course, painters need to sand, woodworkers need to sand. A lot of different people need to sand, and that's why I picked this at 33% off for a Hercules product. That is a smoking deal. Now let's see what you all think of this. I'll do customer reviews on this one. Click on this one, and we got another 4.6 out of 5. We do not have a fish hook going on with the star ratings, and 92% of you do recommend this one. So there you go. That is my number 3 pick. Now for my number 2 pick here, we got the Icon Professional Adjustable Shop Seat with the tool storage. This one's black, but you do get it in red, black, blue, or green. This is normally $109.99. It's going right now for $89.99 at $20 off. To me, that's a pretty good deal on it. I think when I picked mine up, I might have paid $80 for it. So this, and that was a little while ago. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a card up above for you guys to see my original video of this. And I do plan on doing like a 6 months review video on this one. So that's why I picked it, is because I do have this one and I like it. And $20 off of it's not a bad deal. Now let's see what you all think on this one. And we'll check it out here. And this one is a 4.7 out of 5. No fish hook going on with the star rating. And 96% of you would recommend it. And that's my number 2 pick. And now for my number 1 pick, we got the US General 27 inch by 22 inch roll cab series 3. This one is red, but look at all these different colors you got down here. Definitely got your choice. Of course, I love blue, so I would have to go with the blue on that. But regular price on this one is $379.99. Sales price on it is going to be $349.99. That is $30 off. Not a bad deal on that. Now let's check out and see what you all think of this. And we'll click here on specifications, and this one is a 4.8. Very nice. Definitely no fish hook going on here with the star ratings, and 98% of you would recommend this. That is the highest one for today, and that is why it is number 1. Now, as I said before, when I pick these things out, I don't even look at the customer reviews. I just think, hey, that's a good deal, or that's something I'm interested in, and I put it in these top 10 and top 5 videos. So I always like it. You get my reaction too when I look at the customer reviews, because that's when I'm initially seeing them. So leave a comment down below if you got this 27 inch, and if you guys like it or not. Love talking to you guys down in the comments. So there you have it. There is my top 5 picks for the super coupon deals that's going on from August 3rd through the 16th. If there's something that you guys like that's not on my top 5, leave that comment down below. Love hearing from you guys down there. And if there's something you don't like about this sale that's going on, also leave that comment down below. Not everybody likes all these deals. They think something else should be on there. Love hearing you guys' opinion. So as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Leave a comment down below. It really helps the channel out, and I can't grow this channel without you. Also, don't forget we are one nation under God, and I'll see you all on the next one.